listening or who ain't listening. We do this underground shit, it's called life.
We come with bump, 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 girl. Fuck Bush, we run this world. Lift up, you light up, boy. But N.O., we got ya, boy. Ain't no hurricane ever gonna stop us, man. Barbecuing on the roof, rolling up a Swisher dang. So let's start this party, yeah. My drinks, Bacardi, yeah. Out in Hollywood, I grew up in the open hood, eating with the rats, praying God would make it all good. But that didn't work, so I had to do it on my own. Couldn't move bricks like my friends that were dead and gone. That's a sucker roll, you were way too young to go. But growing up in the O, you slang or you hustle. That butt dunk, the dunk, dunk, damn. Swing not, no pump, pump, bam. That's the way we do, never stop, we gotta move. Underground, baby, we the reason why they booing you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 Sunspot. It's the blunt, J or the bong, right, girl? Drop that, now track that world. White exclusive, you talk while we do shit. You snob like Martha, you acting like a prison bitch. MC jealous, acting overzealous. We ain't afraid to be ourselves, regardless what they tell us. I was born to a losing situation. Mama hooked up on the drugs, daddy's pimping conversation. Got his ass caught up, man, it's time to roll up. Never knowing who you are, nothing ever seems enough. I know, here we go, cold as Eskimo. It was told, story of a princess, so spoiled, so typical. She would blow off, love in her face, never give the chance, think above, never state. A generalization is true. You don't know me, but judge me, fuck you. All these people that be faking, we want the same thing, but the stick be in their ass like a popsicle ring. Yeah, 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 oh yeah. Yeah, 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 oh yeah. Yeah, 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 oh yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 oh yeah. Yeah, 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 oh yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 oh yeah. Stan Smiths and shell toes, Mustangs and Elcos. Off the dumb 4001, I tell those stories to wait. For real, who stays classic, consistent like 20-inch wheels. The real Coca-Cola, me on microphones and that Jamaican girl poster. Colossus roller coaster, a bizarre ride, chauffeur by Lucky. Legends on the track with Mad Lib, we funky. Look, not on the pot, but I got high standards. Ladies gotta be classic just to carry my banner. Like a 67 Stang quarter panel fastback. I'll personalize the plates on that side like that. Black coffee in the morning and tequila on tour. The highest bid price, vintage gear for sure. Buy me now, 2 amp and compress my style. Stung, stimulate the younger, give the history book some. Old school, check advance, breaking on linoleum. The Cosby Show, bad reception, antenna slightly holding them. Cutting classes, smoking Bob Marley in the auditorium. Jumping fences, here they come, security on patrol again. With my classic California Condor, 67 horsepower Jurassic flow. I'ma pull this world behind me, tractor trailer, truck to tow. Yeah, side away from up and hose on off the game that we expose. My expose, I suppose you say some ish like that. I'm classic like my old soul, and materials black. A tenor sax and I'm still left the young. A son of Satchmo who makes the Letty days want some. Ride cymbals and drums. 1991, after school, shoplifting at Walgreens. Racking candy, next day slinging it at nutrition. Bought my first microphone, chrome, realistic. Gripped it like a wand, casted rhymes like a magician. Classic, like when it never plays out. Classic, that means forever, no doubts. Now just because it's retro don't mean that it's classic. Just because it's classic don't mean it ain't brand new. That's true. The Love Below is new. I considered it a classic, like a pickle made by Blastic. My first time on acid was a classic disaster. Like Tiger on the 9th hole, we champs of the Masters. Here's my classical example of ample avenues to aviate. My phrases and trample triangles of offensive copyright infringements. Bobby Knight kick to the ligament, cut your knees from under with brain, sun, and the thunder. $2. Holler if you hear me. Ralph and his motorcycle by Beverly Cleary. The Bridge of Terabithia. Every freestyle that I kicked in '96 and Michael Jackson's signature.
blast, 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 blast.